Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we will be working on this beautiful lace pattern, and could you believe it is just one row repeat. So I'm working on a scarf at the moment, lacy scarf, using a hobby yarn. So this is a DK weight yarn, and I'm also adding a color to it. So I'm combining it with Friends Kid Silk. But this is optional, so you can make your scarf all in one color, or you can make it more colorful than I did. So this is the project that I'm working on at the moment, and today I'm going to be showing you the basic stitch pattern for this, and then at some later point I will also publish the pattern for the scarf once it is finished. We will work the stitch pattern over multiples of 6 plus 6 stitches. So first we start our project with a slip knot. We'll place the loop on the hook and we will start chaining. Chain is worked by yarning over the hook and pulling through the loop on the hook, and this would be chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That's first stitch pattern. Repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I'm going to do 3 stitch pattern repeats and adding 6 at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Once we have the multiple of chain that we want to use for our project, we will start row number 1 with working a double crochet into the 6th chain from the hook. So we will count chains as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and that's where we're going to work a double crochet. Double crochet is worked by yarning over the hook, inserting the hook into the chain space or stitch, yarning over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We will then chain 1 and work a shell into the 6th chain from the stitch that we just worked. So we will skip 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we will work a shell into the next. And the shell for this project will consist of 4 double crochet stitches, chain 1 and 1 double crochet. So we again yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and we will repeat that 3 more times. That's 2, 3 and 4. Work chain 1, work another double crochet into the same space and chain 1. We will then count again 5 chains that we will skip, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and work another shell into the next chain. So that's first double crochet, second, third and fourth, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1. And now you will keep on repeating, working the shell into the 6th chain all the way across your multiple. Once you get to the very last 6 chains, you will skip 5 and work 4 double crochet into the very last chain. So I've got this double crochet, and we will work 4 double crochet into the last chain. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and turn your project. We begin row number 2 with chaining 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we will work a double crochet into the same stitch. So that's yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We'll then chain 1, and we will work a shell into the chain 1 space of the next shell. So that's here. So we will be working our chains, our stitches into this space here. So we'll work 4 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, 3, and 4, chain 1, and a double crochet stitch into the same space, chain 1, and you will keep on repeating this until the end. So I've got one more repeat, so I will work one more shell into the chain 1 space of the shell below, three and 4 double crochet stitches, chain 1, double crochet stitch, chain 1, and now I don't have any more repeats, so I will work the end of my row. We will work 4 double crochet stitches into the 4th chain. So my turning chain starts here, so I count 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I will work 4 double crochet stitches into the top of the 4th chain of my turning chain 5. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we will then turn our work. For all the consecutive rows, you will keep on repeating row number 2. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Don't forget, as always, share this video with your friends, like and comment, and I'll see you next time. Thank you, bye.